let me show you how to replace a head on any Makita string trimmer. So as you see on the trimmer over here, you have one hole. If you simply try to turn your head, so you see simply spins up, and we want to simply block the head from spinning. So what you do is you simply take pretty much anything, so Allen key for example, and we simply insert inside, push it inside, and then turn it till it clicks inside here and locks the head. So you see you can actually then use a bit of force on it, and then to unscrew it you have to actually do it clockwise, so the other way. So you see I'm holding it basically and then basically unscrewing it, and you see it comes off. Use obviously two hands if it hasn't been unscrewed. Basically for a long time it simply might be stuck. So again, to install it back in, again you have to actually first simply screw it on. So to mount it you have to basically screw it on counterclockwise. But you see it also starts to spin eventually. So again we have to take this tool, lock it into place, and then simply tighten it. So we have to tighten it counterclockwise, and to remove it we turn simply clockwise. Okay, good luck.